Hello everybody, welcome back. Well, I find that the best place to start is in the beginning, and so this is where we're beginning today. I have a IDE to CF adapter. This is one that I purchased, I'd say 12 to 14 years ago. The HX2118P. It developed an issue where it was intermittent. Looking at it under my inspection microscope, I could see that several of the power pins were not soldered completely. One of them looked like it had a cold joint. I ordered a few more of them from Amazon the other day, and when they came in, I can see that their power pins have exactly the same issue. I feel like whoever's making these should probably get an ISO 4000 certification because they sure do have a consistent manufacturing process. So, what we're going to do is get our soldering iron and some solder, and we are going to go ahead and fix this issue. So, I've got some helping hands set up here, and we're just waiting for the iron to warm up. Sometimes it's faster than other times. And of course, in the background while I'm doing that, I'm wiping hard drives. I did some searching the other day and I found out that I have somewhere between 200 and 250 SCSI, IDE, and serial ATA hard drives. So I feel like it's probably time that I should start getting them wiped. Alright, my iron is hot, so I'm just going to get in there, apply a little bit of heat, get the solder in. That's good. Yep. Now, as for why they can't do this when they're manufacturing them, I don't know. And that's got it. So now, this is going to be a lot more reliable, which will be great. I'm trying to get away from using spinning disk drives just because with age they've become unreliable and they're a little bit slow. Of course, accessing CF cards can be slow too, but on a retro machine it's not a huge deal. Anyway, getting back to how I'm wiping these drives, in the past I've used Derek's Boot and Nuke, and a lot of people do like that. Now, what I like to do is hook the drives up to the system and take a look at them to see if there's anything on them that needs to be saved. What I'm using on this computer is Linux Mint, and you can install basically the same utility that Derek's Boot and Nuke uses. It's called nwipe. So I attach the drives, boot the system up, see if there's anything on the drives that need to be saved. I either pull that information off or I image the entire drive, and then I will go to a command prompt and start nwipe and start the drives to wiping. And of course, if you've wiped drives, you know that it can take quite a while. And in fact, that's probably why I have 200 and some odd of them, because I've always put it off. But it needs to get done at this point. So it's a good start, and once I get through that, I can move some of them along to somebody else or destroy the ones that aren't working, and that pretty much covers it. So that's the start, and we'll go from here. I'm trying to decide what I want to get out and work on, whether that's going to be a 286 or a 386 or something that's non-x86, maybe Motorola VME system or Timex Sinclair 1000, or who knows. We'll find out as we go. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, leave them in the comments down below, and we'll see you shortly.